In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a class in QuickBooks Online. This process is quick, taking only about 5 minutes, and it can really help you organize your finances more effectively. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. If you're already a user, you should be familiar with the sign-in process, but let me guide you through it just in case. Open up your browser, navigate to the QuickBooks Online website, and look for the sign in button. Click on that and it will prompt you to select the service you're using. Here you'll want to choose QuickBooks Online. This selection is crucial because it ensures that you're accessing the right platform for your accounting needs. Next, it's time to enter your credentials. This includes your email or username and of course your password. Once you've got that filled in, go ahead and click on Continue to log into your account. Make sure your credentials are entered correctly to avoid any unnecessary delays. Once you're inside QuickBooks Online, look towards the top of your dashboard for the settings icon. It's often represented by a gear symbol, making it not too difficult to spot. Click on that icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, click on All Lists. This section of QuickBooks Online is where you manage various settings and options that help customize your accounting experience. With the All Lists section open, scroll through the list and find the option labeled Classes. Click on Classes to access the Classes management page. This is where the magic happens in terms of categorizing and organizing your financial data efficiently. Now look for the New button, which you'll typically find at the top right corner of the Classes page. Clicking on New will open up a form where you can enter details for your new class. This part is quite straightforward. You'll need to add a name for your class. Consider using a name that clearly describes the category or nature of the transactions you intend to track under this class. This will help you quickly identify and retrieve relevant financial data later down the line. After entering the name of your new class, the next step is simple but crucial. You need to save your changes. So go ahead and click on the Save button. By doing this, your new class is stored within QuickBooks Online, allowing you to start using it for your transaction management right away. And there you have it, you've successfully added a new class in QuickBooks Online. Remember, using classes effectively can dramatically improve your financial tracking and reporting, providing better insights into the various segments of your business. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.